Imagine deleting half the apps on your phone because AI does all of it faster. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 new AI tools for 2025 that can replace the apps you use every single day, from note-taking, to design, to studying, to work. If you're in the US or UK, and you want to save time at school, at university, or at your job, this video is made for you. We'll move fast. For each tool, I'll show you what it replaces, how it works, and who it's best for. Students, creators, or busy professionals. By the end, you'll know exactly which tools are worth trying first and which ones can probably wait. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 replaces your note-taking and document apps like Notion or Google Docs. This is an AI-powered knowledge space that automatically organizes your notes, links, PDFs, and documents, and then lets you chat with your information. You drop in lecture slides, readings, reports, or meeting notes, and it turns them into a searchable knowledge base. Instead of spending an hour scrolling through old documents, you can just ask it questions like, summarize last week's meeting in 5 bullet points, or what were the key arguments in this article? And it answers in seconds. If you're a student, this is perfect for keeping all your course material in one place. If you're working in an office, it's ideal for project docs and meeting notes. Tool number 2 replaces design tools like Canva and basic photo editors. This is an AI design assistant that creates thumbnails, social posts, slides, and simple graphics from text prompts. You tell it what you need, for example, YouTube thumbnail about 10 new AI tools for 2025, or Instagram post about productivity tips, and it generates ready-to-edit designs. You can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts, but the heavy lifting is done for you. If you're a content creator or you make presentations for work, this can easily save you hours each week compared to building everything from scratch. Tool number 3 replaces your writing apps and email drafts. This is an AI writing assistant built for everyday communication, emails, essays, reports, and social media posts. You paste in a rough idea or bullet points, choose a tone like professional, casual, or persuasive, and it writes a full draft you can edit. You can also ask it to rewrite replies, shorten long emails, or make your writing clearer for a US or UK audience. For professionals, this means faster responses and fewer blank screen moments. For students, it's a great way to structure essays and improve clarity, as long as you still do the thinking yourself. Quick question for you. If you had to replace one app on your phone with AI right now, which would it be? Messages, email, notes, or something else? Type the app you'd replace in the comments. I'm really curious what people are most tired of using. Tool number 4 replaces your meeting notes app and manual note-taking. This tool records your online meetings or lectures, transcribes them, and then creates clear summaries and action items using AI. You connect it to your calendar or video calls, and after each session you get a digest with key points, decisions, and to-dos. Instead of scrambling to write everything down, you can stay present in the conversation and review the summary later. If you're in back-to-back Zoom or Teams meetings all day, or you're a student watching recorded lectures, this can be a huge time saver. Tool number 5 replaces basic coding helpers and copy-pasting from Stack Overflow. This is an AI coding assistant that lives in your editor or browser and helps you write, debug, and understand code. You can ask it, write a Python script that cleans this CSV file, or explain what this function is doing in simple English, and it responds instantly. It's not a total replacement for learning to code, but it can speed up your work dramatically if you're a developer, a data analyst, or just experimenting with scripts for your own projects. Tool number 6 replaces simple video editors for short-form and basic content. This is an AI video creator that takes a script, a blog post, or a set of clips and turns it into a polished video with stock footage, animations, and subtitles. You paste in your script, choose a style, and the tool automatically matches scenes, adds transitions, and generates captions. If you're a creator making YouTube videos, TikToks, or Reels, or you need internal training videos for work, this can dramatically cut down editing time. Tool number 7 replaces your manual email cleanup and inbox zero rituals. This AI tool connects to your email and helps you summarize long threads, draft replies, and prioritize what actually matters. You can say things like, summarize this thread in 3 bullet points, or write a polite follow-up asking for an update, and it does the heavy lifting. For anyone working in a US or UK office environment, or dealing with clients, this can easily save 30 minutes to an hour every day. Tool number 8 replaces your manual research and reading of long articles and PDFs. This is an AI summarizer and research assistant that digests articles, reports, and even YouTube videos into short, clear summaries. You paste in a link or upload a file, and it returns key points, pros and cons, and even potential questions you should be asking. If you're a student dealing with dense readings, or a professional reading industry reports, this can help you understand the main ideas much faster, while still letting you dive deeper when needed. Tool number 9 replaces traditional flashcard apps and basic revision tools. This is an AI study assistant that creates personalized quizzes, flashcards, and practice questions from your notes or textbooks. You can upload your lecture slides or type in topics you're revising, and it generates spaced repetition cards, multiple choice questions, and short answer prompts. If you're studying for exams, professional certifications, or just learning a new skill, this can help you study more efficiently without spending hours building flashcards manually. Tool number 10 replaces a lot of boring, repetitive workflows. This is an AI automation and workflow builder that connects different apps you already use, like email, calendars, documents, and task managers. You can set up automations like, when I get an email with an attachment, save it to this folder and send me a summary. Or, when I add a task with the word meeting, automatically create a calendar event. Instead of hiring a developer or spending days learning complex tools, you can describe what you want in plain English and let the AI build the workflow. For busy professionals and small business owners, this can quietly save hours every week in the background. Alright, let's quickly recap and match the best tools to you. If you're a student, start with the note-taking and knowledge tool, the summarizer and research assistant, and the AI study assistant. Those will have the biggest impact on your grades and study time. If you're working full-time, focus on the AI writing assistant, the meeting notes tool, the email helper, and the automation builder. That combination can remove a lot of repetitive admin from your week. If you're a creator, prioritize the design assistant, the AI video creator, and the writing assistant. Together they can speed up thumbnails, scripts, posts, and editing. You don't need all 10 of these tools. Start with 1 or 2 that solve your biggest pain point right now. Test them for a week, and then add more if they're actually saving you time. If this video helped you discover at least one new AI tool you want to try, make sure you subscribe for more practical AI breakdowns. In the next video, I'm going to show you my real AI workflow, how I use a stack of tools to automate my work week step by step. Click on the video on your screen now to see how I connect these tools into one simple system you can copy.